We're here at Boyer taking a look at our certified pre-owned inventory. Right here is a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche with the LTZ trim level package, and it has around 42,000 kilometers on it. And I will be doing a walk around video today. The interior to this Avalanche is very nice and clean. It comes with leather interior and power seats. You have your window options here, folding mirrors, your window controls, your heated and cooled seats, and your mirror and seat memory are here. You also have your power adjustable pedals, parking assist, and traction control buttons there. You have a OEM power tilt and sliding sunroof. You also get a USB port right there, along with a 12-volt power outlet right in there. There's also a trailer brake if you're moving anything. Here are your cruise control settings on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, and your phone and stereo settings on the right-hand side. And your heated steering wheel option is here. You also have a backup camera when you put in reverse. When you get the car, it also comes with OnStar as well. And that's everything. The exterior to this Avalanche is very nice and clean. With the LTZ package, it comes with the chrome accents, the 20-inch wheels. You also get a roof rack and running boards. And at the back here, you have parking sensors, and you also have a little small backup camera right here. And that's everything. The rear interior to this Avalanche is very nice and clean. It comes with leather interior. You have your rear floor mats. You have your power windows, a place to put some reading material. Your center seat turns out into an armrest. You also have a single screen DVD player here, and below it is its controls, volume for the headsets. You have your power here, you have skip and previous, your source button, and your red, white, and yellow cables go there, and another 12-volt power outlet with it. And that's everything for the rear interior. Underneath the hood of this Avalanche is a 5.3-liter V8 engine with flex fuel capability, which has around 320 horsepower. And this concludes my video. Thank you very much for watching.